Number 4 is actually my favorite, so you may want to stick around. The first business that I'll be mentioning for you is skincare business. Now, skincare business is a very lucrative business that you can actually start and you can make more money from it. Like, there's more profit in selling of skincare products. Now, this skincare product, if you're able to sell authentic skincare products, you make more money. Now, you don't necessarily need to have a physical store. No, you can have an online store where you sell skincare products and you'll be making money from it. So you can actually use social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram to advertise your skincare products, and you'll be making more money right now. Both male and female can actually adventure into selling of skincare products. Yep. The major thing is that once they find out that your skincare products are original, people will actually buy. And one reason why I'm mentioning skincare as the first one is because skincare will always remain a very lucrative business even in the next 10 years. Why? Because everybody wants to have a healthy skin, everybody want to look good, everybody wants to have a glowing healthy skin and all that. So skincare is always going to be a lucrative business. All that is required of you is actually a low capital. You don't really need to start much. Start from small, then from there you start growing your business. The number 2 that I'll be mentioning is thrift wears. Now, one reason why I love thrift wears is that everybody out there wants something that is actually classy and affordable, and that is where thrift wears comes in. Your selling of thrift wears can be very, very lucrative. There is much money there. All you just have to do is start with small. The capital is always small. Start with small, advertise your clothes very well. Your price should be a little bit friendly. Then as time goes on, you add your prices to your clothes. And this thrift wear business is something that you can start anywhere. Why? Because everybody wants to cover up, want to look classy, want to give out clean vibes, and they want something quite affordable, and that is where your thrift wear business comes. The third one that I will be mentioning for you guys right here, there is jewelry business. Now, both ladies, both guys, they all want to have a little bit of bling 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 items. Okay, so you selling of jewelry business can actually be a go-get for you. Yep, I've seen tons of people that are selling jewelries and they're actually making massive profit out of it. Yeah, so you can start your jewelry business with something as like 30,000 naira, and I can bet you that at the ending of the year you have more than even 30,000 naira which you started from. So jewelry business is the number 3, and it's a good thing. Just get jewelries that that they will not wash off easily. People will love it, especially jewelries that are made of gold. People tend to be attracted to those kinds a whole lot. So get it and start. What is keeping you? Now, if you're vibing with my videos, if you're finding this informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section which business do you want to start from, or how much is your budget, so that I can make a budget list for you about businesses that you can actually venture into with the budget that you have. Now, hitting over to the 4th one that I have on my list. The 4th one that I have on my list is actually you selling of gift items, like stationery and gift items. They are very good because everybody out there wants to gift their loved ones things, right? So this is where you come in. You can actually create customized books, customized mugs, customized bracelets, customized pendants, and just start from somewhere. But that one will warrant you need to have a little bit much capital, like 100k above, so that you can start. Or you can just start like with a friendly gift item, such as we have feminine gift items like the menstrual kit items. This is what you can actually start with. They work very well. I've seen a whole lot of people that are based in that, and they're doing very fine with that kind of business. Now, the last one that I'll be mentioning for you guys right here, that is something that is very lucrative, that you not have to worry that even in the next 5 years, is you learning of digital marketing. Yes, this one is not a business, this is a skill, but I'm putting it here because I feel like you actually need to know digital marketing a whole lot. Digital marketing can save you. Digital marketing can give you more than even 6 figures if you know how to play it very well. Okay, so digital marketing is something that I'll always recommend. So in case you want to become a digital marketer, just drop in the comment section saying you are interested, you want to know how to start your digital marketing, and I'm gonna take you right through it, guys. Yes, because I've seen a whole lot of people that have made money from digital marketing. They are doing well, they are building houses, they are buying cars, they are getting the latest things that they want, all with digital marketing. So if that is your goal, tell me in the comment section.